Alright guys, I'm back on scene to finish the sanding and polishing on this respray job. And look how nice it's beading up. Look how nice the finish is. This is all courtesy of the touch-up gun. Like, I don't see any hard lines. You can't see where I ended. There's a little bit right there. That's your hard line. And minimal amount of sanding and polishing. We get this guy back in the water. Stay tuned, get excited. Above all, get gel coat trained. Got a little guide coat. Now I'm about to sand out with 600. Stay tuned. Alright, so here's where I completed my color matching. Started out with my base, and then added a bit more, and then got to an acceptable color. So, now that it's all sanded down and completed, all you have to ask yourself, could I do this? Am I ready to get gel coat trained? Get excited.